Southeast Asia, one of the fastest-growing regions in the entire world, is poised to become the fourth largest economy by 2030. The drivers for this rise can be attributed to several factors, from the region's competitiveness to a strong shift in digital use and even a rush in massive foreign investments. All of this growth will well position ASEAN as a leading economic region in the future, where the next batch of strong innovative businesses and creative minds live upon. However, which of these are poised to become the leading industries of the future? Well, before we go on with the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to watch our other video about ASEAN discussing its digital transformation and infrastructure boom. Manufacturing has experienced one of the biggest booms in recent years, the shift from more resilient supply chains to production through clean energy. All of these are moving the industry at unprecedented growth. These then present a massive opportunity for the 10-nation region, as it has an extensive manufacturing base that can support different kinds of products, from medical devices to electronics and even emerging technologies. Furthermore, several trade pacts and policies are being enacted to ensure that ASEAN takes this golden opportunity. Analysts even predict that by 2030, the manufacturing industry alone will contribute well over $600 billion in just additional output and create as much as 140,000 new jobs a year. The RCEP, or Region Comprehensive Economic Partnership, is one of the biggest trade arrangements in the entire world, and this pact is what will ensure ASEAN's success in the manufacturing world as it accelerates its flow of goods with key partners in the partnership. The risks, however, are quite dire for the industry. Cyber attacks, a leading headache for everyone, and specifically for Southeast Asia's manufacturing industry. This industry was the second most common sector hit by internet hackers. Manufacturing facilities experience an average of 1,554 attacks per week in 2021, and in the Philippines alone, the attacks were as much as 2,752 a week, making it a devastating effect on growing industry. The next opportunity, however, is a giant one. It is a $1 trillion prospect, and it does not lie in another internet boom, but on the climate change frontier. The sustainable future both presents a great opportunity, but at the same time, it has massive risks down the line. On the opportunity side, the fight for a sustainable future will boost new industries and businesses that operate within the ecosystem. These outputs are shown here, from being more efficient and cost-saving to the consumers to have a newer and better growth area in the food systems. This opportunity alone is estimated to generate as much as 6 million jobs by 2030. The risk, however, is rather terrifying. If this threat is not addressed, then we can expect the gross domestic product of the region to have a negative impact by as much as 37% by 2050. Hence, the next $1 trillion opportunity will be one of the biggest necessities to do. The rise in ASEAN's industries and shift to a more efficient future has led to seeing the region's investment grow. The FDI, or foreign direct investment alone, despite seeing a massive drop due to the pandemic in 2019 to 2020, the region remained resilient as its global share of FDI rose from 11.9% in 2019 to 13.7% in 2020. Moreover, companies from both foreign countries and ASEAN states have been strongly investing in the 10 nations. Singapore alone, the investment giant in the region, has seen itself become one of the largest investors in Vietnam and Indonesia. The Philippines, on the other hand, has seen its conglomerate Ayala Corporation have strong investments, specifically in renewable energy. It has massive investments in Indonesia and Vietnam for both wind and solar projects. These plays by both the public and private are crucial to the growth of the region. The cooperation of public-private is what pushed each country's innovation in the past years and will do so in the future. It is vital for the governments to help their businesses thrive in a time of change, whether it is through unprecedented events or the drive in the changing world. The uptake for driving change in the manufacturing industry from traditional to modern are key figures both parties need to tackle, shifting public funds to these and incentivizing corporations to act not only for researching the future, but also for environmental sustainability.